Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by stabilizing the foundation. Update GPU drivers and OBS so you avoid known bugs. Close heavy apps because OBS needs headroom. Once done, switch your power plan to high performance to prevent throttling. Also confirm GPU usage and CPU load in Task Manager. If GPU is pegged, reduce other work. These first actions eliminate common resource conflicts that cause choppy frames and audio drift. So do them now, and then move to capture settings. Next, you optimize how OBS handles video. Pick a hardware encoder like NVENC or AMD to offload work from CPU. This reduces frame drops. If problems persist, lower resolution or drop to 30 FPS to cut data rate. For consistent frames, use game capture for full-screen games and window capture for apps. Once configured, lock the source and disable allow transparency or scaling filters. These changes control encoding load and capture reliability, which directly fixes glitchy recording. Finally, secure recordings and validate outcomes. Set format to MKV to avoid file corruption, then remux to MP4 after a good test. Balance CPU preset between quality and performance. If CPU spikes, shift one notch toward performance. Record a 60-second clip, inspect audio sync and frame timing, and review dropped frames in the stats window. If glitches continue, one key troubleshooting tip. Lower bitrate by 10–30% and retest, because bandwidth or bottlenecked encoders are often the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.